Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today I am here with another Indian English writer, which is again very important. We can say the most important writer for your exam point of view. The name is Khushwant Singh. You all have listened the name of Khushwant Singh in your school because the text of Khushwant Singh, uh, Train to Pakistan, is very famous. So let's begin with Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh was born in 1915 and he died in 2014. Must remember. So the examiner can ask you the years also. So Khushwant Singh was an Indian author, lawyer. He was also a diplomat, journalist, and a politician. You must remember that he was the member of parliament of Rajya Sabha between 1980 to 86. So you must remember this point. So he has done a great job in various fields. Khushwant Singh was famous for Train to Pakistan. His most important text, Train to Pakistan, which was published in 1956. Khushwant Singh was known for secularism. Secularism means that there is no specific religion which is important for him. Every religion is equal for him. He is known for humor, sarcasm, and an abiding love of poetry. He had an abiding love of poetry. He loved poetry. Khushwant Singh was also awarded with Padma Bhushan in 1974, as you all know. However, he returned the award in 1984. उन्होंने जो ये अवार्ड था पद्म भूषण वो उन्होंने वापस कर दिया था 1984 में इन प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट ऑपरेशन ब्लू स्टार. ऑपरेशन ब्लू स्टार के वो खिलाफ थे, उसकी प्रोटेस्ट में ही उन्होंने अवार्ड जो था रिटर्न किया था. ऑपरेशन ब्लू स्टार क्या था? इन विच इंडियन आर्मी रेडेड अमृतसर. जो इंडियन आर्मी है उन्होंने अमृतसर में गोल्डन टेम्पल में रेड कर दी थी. एंड ही ऑल्सो वन साहित्य अकेडमी फेलोशिप बाय साहित्य अकेडमी ऑफ इंडिया. साहित्य अकेडमी ऑफ इंडिया ने उनको साहित्य अकेडमी फेलोशिप दी थी इन 2010. And there is also one play which is very famous, that is television documentary Third World Free Press 1983. This is the only play by Khushwant Singh, so you must remember. उन्होंने और भी अवार्ड कुछ उनको मिले थे, लाइक रॉक फेलर ग्रांट इन 1966, पंजाब रत्न अवार्ड 2006, and very important पद्म विभूषण इन 2007. मस्ट रिमेंबर कि उनको जो पद्म भूषण मिला था उन्होंने 1984 में रिटर्न कर दिया था, एंड पद्म विभूषण ही वन इन 2007. There are other works which were written by Khushwant Singh. You just must remember the name of that works, so don't go in the detail. First is The Mark of Vishnu and Other Stories in 1950, The History of Sikhs 1953, The Voice of God 1957, I Shall Not Hear the Nightingale 1959, The Sikhs Today 1959, The Fall of the Kingdom of Punjab 1962, A History of the Sikhs 1963, The Sunset Club, Big Book of Malice, The Portrait of a Lady. very important. इसका नाम पे एग्ज़ाम में ज़रूर आ जाता है, कोई ऑप्शन के अकॉर्डिंग आ जाता है, एलिमिनेट करना होता है कोई ऑप्शन तो उसमें आ जाता है, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ये खुशवंत सिंह ने लिखा है. ब्लैक जैस्मिन, नॉट अ नाइस मैन टू नो. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रूथ लव एंड लिटिल मैलिस. याद रखना ये नाम, ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बरियल एट द सी, very इंपॉर्टेंट. वाई आई सपोर्टेड एमरजेंसी, ये 1984 की एमरजेंसी की बात हो रही है. द सनसेट क्लब, गॉड्स एंड गॉडमैन ऑफ इंडिया, अ लव अफेयर इन लंडन. So these are some important works by खुशवंत सिंह. So you just remember the name, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम में मैंने जैसे आपको पहले बताया था कि क्वेश्चन ऐसे आ जाता है कि दैट they have given you 4 options, and in question they are asking you that which work is not written by this writer or which work is written by this writer. So these kind of questions are asked. So you just remember the name and year also. So that's all about Khushwant Singh. See you in next video. Thank you so much. Please share, subscribe and like my video, and it will be beneficial for you and your friends. Thank you so much.